wonder if we could maybe just take a little bit of a deeper dive into some of those cities. And I've got two cities in mind, I think. One is the city that I'm planning to go on holiday to very soon, which is Monaco. And the other one, I'm going to stay in the French area, is the city where my better half is from, Paris. Can you just tell us a little bit about those markets and what we're seeing as the trends there?
Yeah, two interesting markets actually, and I think both indicative of some broader global trends we're seeing. Monaco, starting there now, talks about the world's most expensive cities, of which Hong Kong is top. If you include the Principality of Monaco, Monaco is more expensive again. Its prices here are 20% higher than those of Hong Kong, 180% more expensive than London. And why is it so expensive? Well, a lot of that comes down to size. It's incredibly land constrained. It's in size actually smaller than New York's Central Park, but it has a population of 38,000 people. But clearly it's a very attractive place to live. It offers coastal living on the Côte d'Azur, but with that favourable tax regime for residents. And then I guess just to kind of give a feel of the evolution of prices and transactions in Monaco. We actually saw modest price falls last year, but I think again, given the wider uncertainty we saw globally, that's actually pretty remarkable. And actually, prices have been at a really high plateau since 2018, and transactions saw a bit more of a dip. Some of that I think comes down to those travel restrictions that have been in place globally. So that again, the market actually became more domestic, which was probably the overarching trend there.
So I thought I'd just do a little interjection there to move on to the next slide. So with that in mind, then, what's the outlook looking like for Monaco? A very small, concentrated and expensive place. What should investors be thinking about if they either already hold property in Monaco or thinking about investing in property in Monaco?
Yeah, interesting question. I think important to sort of think further ahead. I think there is sustained interest in Monaco, and the restrictions over the last 18 months have only led to greater pent-up demand. So that's going to come through as soon as international travel opens up again. The big story though of Monaco is supply constraints. There is new builds coming through, but it's relatively limited. 3 smallish projects coming online this year and next, another in 2024. So that will help. And actually longer term, Monaco is also sort of embracing land reclamation. So that's going to also add to the sort of fundamental size of the place as well. And actually, the rental market's another interesting story. Is likely to benefit in the short term as that foreign demand travel returns, and we see more people kind of testing that market, and they kind of adjust to the lifestyle and try the place out. So I think in short, positive prospects, but some restrictions as well.